Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you how we can test a RJ45 network cable. As you know, we have 4 types of computer networking cable. The first one is straight through cable. The second one is crossover network cable, and you also have the rollover network cable. Then the fourth one is fiber optics network cable. So the one we'll be looking at this time is crossover network cable. As you know, we make use of the crossover network cable to connect the same devices together. For instance, if you want to connect 2 computers together without making use of the switch device, so you can make use of the crossover cable. But before we see how we can use this cable to connect 2 computers together, let us see how we test it with our computer network cable tester. This is example of computer network cable tester. As you can see, cable tester is written here. Cable tester. So we want to see how we can use it to test our network. This is what we call RJ45 cable, and it has 2 terminals. Terminal A, this terminal A, and terminal B, that is making 2 terminals. Okay, so for you to use it, you insert it into the port of the cable tester. Okay, then you switch it on. So when you switch it on, so if you can see, you have when you are testing it, the indicator 1 is correspond to indicator 3, that is LED 3, while the LED 2 correspond to LED 6, and 4 and 4 are the same, they on at the same time. 5 and 5 are the 2 terminals. When 1 on, 3 will on. When 2 on here, 6 will on in the other side. So 4 and 5 are before on at the same time at the both side. Likewise 5, then LED 7 and LED 8 also. So this is how you test your cable network cable, that is crossover network cable. Okay, once again, when 1 is on, 3 is on. When 2 is on, 6 is on at the other side. So what I'm saying, that you can detach this. As you can see, you can detach it. So when you can see, when 1 on here, 3 is on here. When 2 on here, 6 is on here. And when 6 is on here, 2 is on in the other side. When 3 when 2 is on in the other side here, then 6 will on the other side here too. So that's how we determine our crossover network cable. And okay, thanks for watching.